Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from, and definitely want to get things updated here as the chart had another good day. Now, I realize, and this is where the presentation perspective gets a little tricky, because there is perspective that goes into it. I said, the chart had a good day. Well, I realize, like I said, there is perspective, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 2 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But from the big picture perspective, yeah, I get it, the price pulled back today. Today being the key word. When you look at multiple days, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and that's the name of the game. And that is the perspective I'm going to be talking about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different strategy and outlook going into the trade. So like I said, price did pull back today, but this is where the green lines from yesterday come into play. And, the key one here being at 70 cents, which I talked about as support. And you can see that's right where the price ultimately did decide to close today. 65 cents, another area of support, but that one, wasn't even threatened in terms of getting tested. But as I talked about yesterday, I want to quickly, just reiterate here. From the big picture of things, assuming you're somebody that's just saying, Clay, I just care about the health of the move. That being defined right there as the move. The very simplistic way to do that, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And as that purple line moves itself upwards higher and higher, easy way to gauge the health of the current price movement. As long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are in full control. No questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, given we've now gotten some more information from the chart, does seem to be quite a few sellers hanging up right around 85 cents, give or take. So, if you want to call it 86 or 84, that's up to you. But the point being, and the area that I think we can all agree on is that there's clearly some sellers hanging out right around this area of the chart. All in all, though, the price continues to build higher bases, and assuming again you care about the grand scheme of things, that's what it's all about. Build those higher lows. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.